Small bread.
My first sandwich.
Your own. Okay. We'll go sweet here in then I can list in the class. Bye bye. How you back?
I love you.
I love you too. Have a nice day.
Bye.
Bye. Hello people! Lucy Baby Mommy Vlog updates. Weekly. We are not two. And you're adorable. You want to do? Clock it in my channel. So guys, I'm about to cook or make our lunch. Yeah. So let's eat potato. I like this potato so much. This one is for mommy proper. A pelusi proper. What I go? So guys, I don't want this video to be too long. So I'll be cooking. Okay, I have my yam. I've already I just yesterday I did Malaysia. It's going to be here. Go to say. I want them now water. So let's go like that now. So I'll be making white boiled yam with egg sauce. You know. So that is it. Continue watching, guys. My Instagram, Lucy Small Chops. I think you know I have two Instagram, Lucy Lifestyle and Lucy Baby Lifestyle and Lucy Small Chops. You know, so one of my video when I'm shaking my spaghetti, you know, I have 1,000 views now this morning. Then another video is having 60 something views. You know, but only thing that the Instagram, the video ganaga, but follower. I don't know. Your follower move. You followers. It's followers, subscribers. No followers in Instagram, the IG. But view, you can't view man follower. This IG silike Instagram silike squalike what I go. So I'm just so happy because I'm growing there over there. You know, I'm growing on my Instagram. My video is going, is moving. You know, maybe one day somebody will push my video and you'll never follow us, you know. So that is some period. People are clocking it in my Instagram. Continue watching. Come on, good, come on, good.
Hello.
See my last born, baby Alex, you know, in the building. So guys, it's ready. So two boys, they say they are not, my boys, they say they are not eating they are not eating yam. So I'm going to cook baby Alex and Chinedu. I'm going to cook this pasta, okay, with pomodoro. Okay, we're 4 women and Mona. So 3 girls, we are going to eat yam. 1 boy and no. Daddy went to church. So that is it. Let's share. Can you see? Cotton? Even Jatila. There are 2. For 2 of your friends. Kingwa. So good, baby Alice is giving his friends sweets. Ok, hai già messo per lei? O lei o lui?
Poi Tommaso non vuole.
Tommaso non vuole. Ok.
Poi basta.
Ah.
Poi questa qui.
Your own. Okay. Go sweet here in then I can list in the class. Bye bye. Are you back?
I love you.
I love you too. Have a nice day.
Bye.
Bye. Okay. I'm in the corner. So guys, today is our market, but no much thing in our market. You know, even they're closing self because this is a 12:30. So that is it. Can you see? They're ringing our bell. It's time to close market. So guys, I'm going to Pastisseria. So let me go and buy bread for our lunch. And you get the bread up, Bonko. Bread up, Bonko. This small bread. So guys, our lunch is ready. Salsa di prosciutto crudo. Pasta orecchi mi sembra, yes. Pasta orecchi. Cotto? E mangiatela.